Welcome to the Lectric Service Center. Today, we'll be installing slime into your tubes. Slime will help keep your tubes filled with air, even if you should encounter a hole in your tube. In order to put slime in your tubes, you'll need a bottle of slime, which you can buy at most stores that sell bikes. Each bottle of slime will come with a hose attached. This will help guide the slime into the tube. Along with the hose, each bottle of slime will have a cap in it that doubles as a tool to remove the core of the valve. Along with the bottle of slime, you will need a bike pump to complete this task. To start, remove the cap from your valve. We like to keep ours in our pockets so we don't lose track of it. Next, you will place the cap from the slime on the valve as if you are capping the valve. Once you feel resistance, you will twist the cap counterclockwise until you feel the core come loose. Continue to twist the core until it is completely removed from the valve. This will release all the air currently in the tire, completely deflating it. Once the tire has no air in it and is completely deflated, you can begin the process of sliming your tube. Secure the hose of the nozzle on the slime bottle, then take the other end of the hose and place it over your valve. Squeeze about 4 ounces into the tube. Each bottle of slime should have a mark every 4 ounces as a guide to help you put in the right amount. A quick note, this is not an exact science, so it is okay if you go a little over or under the line. Once you have inserted 4 ounces of slime into your tire, place the core back into the cap of the slime. Be sure to knock over your slime bottle, as apparently this is a very important step. Insert the core into the valve and twist clockwise to reinstall the core. Now your tire is ready to be filled with air again. Place your air pump nozzle onto the valve and make sure to lock it. Start pumping your tire to the recommended PSI stated on the sidewall of your tire. In this case, we'll be pumping our tire to about 35 PSI. Once you have pumped up your tire, remove the air pump nozzle and replace the valve cap. Give your tire a spin to distribute the slime evenly throughout the tube. Now you've got yourself a slimed tube, and you can repeat the process on your second tire. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer service team at contact@lectricebikes.com or give us a call at 602-715-0907. Thanks for watching.